Reclaim your power by dropping the rope. Leo, you have a vision that is close to your heart. Now, wherever aligning and fails under the purview of oneness within that spectrum, allow it to touch your look from the highest perspective to find the light in everyone. Gemini, as you merge with kindness and peacefully vibration that emanate from the deep end of your soul, you igniate rapid transformation. Light codes trooper within your DNA. There are simple signs lying in plain sight all around you. Cancer, what might seem mundane to the world may hold value and potential from ascension in your ease. This is your day to bring forward your gift, accept and deserve all that is not serving you. Gracious, what would happen if you would stop everything king, every doing and our completing sake you become super magnetin or just the right kind of stuff as you leap off from the cliff. Magical pathway would arise from out of the blue supporting your way forward. They guess could might choose you, but let the radiance of your glaring goals and our following warmth shine brighter than anything that could possible try to hold you back. The more you focus on you, your unkilled strength and the purity of your heart, the clearer your faith become. Aries, accept yourself in your totality and see how bright you shine. There is sadly lot to do, but you realize that there is also a fun way to do it. Taurus, go with the flow and force play with work and the output as you focus on fostering beneficial contraction. You realize work become play and life feels light infused. Opportunity line up for you as your streamline your energy into crafting your heart deserve. Look from the highest perspective to find the light and everyone. Gemini, as you merge with kindness and peaceful vibration that emanate from the depth of your soul, you agent repeat transformation light code stored within your DNA. As you tiptoe the comes upon your magical uncorned back, embrace how everything proper as a more fleck of light. Just like all the souls you cross path with, in a flash you receive instructions that take you far. Hold onto them and let them guide you forward. There are simple signs lying in plain sight all around you. Cancer, what may seem mundane of the world my hold value and potential of association in your is arrive to just as you turn on the inner light. You are not for everyone, my love, so stop trying to get on nod from them before you take that step toward your desired decretion.